How to see blocked messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your device. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Then scroll down the main list to find and tap on Messages. Inside the Messages settings, scroll down until you find and tap on Blocked Contacts. Find the contact you wish to receive messages from again, and simply swipe left on their name or number. This gesture will reveal a red Unblock button. Tap Unblock to immediately remove them from your block list, which will allow their future calls and messages to be delivered to your device as normal. Following these steps, you can see blocked messages on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.